All right, and we're actually back. Wait, it's a little bright, or is that just my camera? There we go. There we go. Hey, so we're back. Day number dos with the shit box. I'm about to change that to a short shifter right over here somewhere. I believe it's here. No. 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 Let me find it. And lo encontré. Aquí estás. So this is what we're going to be installing today. I've been looking up a couple videos. Looks pretty easy. I heard the hardest ones are up here. So we'll find out. Don't let's go to the shit box. You might be asking, why do I have it on the lift? Well, I'm about to change the oil on it. And check out, because something is leaking. I think it's the the valve gasket. It's right over here. I got a new one, so yeah. But let's go ahead and go do this first. Let's go. So if you've never done this before, I haven't either, so this will be the first time. I know for a fact we gotta take these. Then we gotta remove something right here. I'm gonna need a new shifter because this ain't cutting it. All right, let's go ahead and take it out. And just like that with every old ass car, this shit is stripped. So now I gotta try to find something, or I think it's like it might be like a, what you guys think, like a 10? Let me see if I can try to take it out. I'll be right back. All right, so yeah, it was a 10 socket. I should have started off with the first place, but let's take this out real quick. So what I know is these are the easy ones, but the hard ones, I don't know if you can kind of see it over there. The ones that are all the way like in here, that are hard as hell to get out. So we'll see how this goes. And yeah, let's do this. I also gotta deep clean this damn car, man. I think that's what I'm gonna do next after this. After the oil change, I'm just gonna deep clean this shit. Look, whoever was in here was eating some fucking papitas. Let's go. All right, so what you're gonna want to make your life a little bit easier is get one of these. So size 12, one of these. But I think this shit might be dead. But if not, I'll go get another one. I'll go get a Milwaukee one and I'll be right back. All right, so this bad boy took him out like nothing. But I dropped 2 bolts on the bottom. Now I gotta go get them. And I gotta try to figure out how to get the ones down here. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, they're right there. Look, see? I bet you they're about tight as hell. But let's go ahead and go. All right, so to make your life a little bit easier, you want to take both of these out and put them to the side. And this comes right off. Let me put that over here. I don't think that was supposed to happen, but it's okay because we're gonna be switching to that one right there. Now let's get these last 2 bolts out of the way. All right, kind of need both hands for this, but I only need the last 2 that's right over here that I had trouble with. And then everything does feel a little bit better, but I can show you how short this thing is real quick. Give me a sec. All right, look. So this will be neutral. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, then reverse. See, no slack. But I'll show you the before and after once everything's all put up. Just let me get that little piece, and then after that, put everything all the way up. All right, go ahead and put everything how it is, and then I just upgraded this one. This is not real carbon. This is wrap, but it looks pretty good. Look at that. Hey, yo. Now let's go ahead and put everything back so I can get you a side-by-side how it looks. All right, so this is how it looks. Everything looks good. Now let's go ahead and do the before and after. All right, so if you did like the video, help me out, give it a like or a thumbs down, don't matter, share it. Next one will be taking out this old crusty differential because we're gonna be drifting it. Stay tuned.